Hello, Adam Colquhoun here from Westmore Jacobs. We had promised an article about the CSL decision. Here the issue arose whether or not an employer had a valid reason for dismissing an employee for allegedly being unable to perform the inherent requirements of the position. The importance of this decision really relates to the overturning of a earlier decision by the full bench of the Fair Work Commission in Lion Dairy, and that was the decision back from 2016. So let's talk about that decision for a moment. In that decision, the Commission held that the Commission is not in a position to make expert medical assessments, and the issue of whether or not there will be a valid reason for dismissal really only relates to whether or not an employer has a medical certificate or a medical opinion that the employee cannot perform the inherent requirements of the position. If they have that medical opinion, really under that authority, it was all over, and there would be a valid reason for dismissal. The CSL decision says that approach is plainly wrong. Instead, what is the correct approach? It is the Commission's function to decide whether or not there is a valid reason for dismissal, and the Commission might be called upon to look at varying medical evidence and even contradictory or purportedly contradictory medical evidence to resolve that difference, and look at all the circumstances to decide whether or not there is a valid reason for dismissal. Please have a look at the article and feel free to contact us if you have any questions.